Most of you get confused while you get problems to do for your exams, right? Many questions arises in your mind from which chapter is this, how to start this problem, etc. etc. So there is only one way for that. You have to compare and study. So from the chapter Ratio and Proportion, I have selected two problems. Now let's compare and do it. The first question, Saurav takes 50 minutes to reach school from his house and Sachin takes 1 hour to reach. Find the ratio of the time taken by Saurav to time taken by Sachin. So, how did you get any hints? Yes, we got the hint ratio. So that means that's from the chapter ratio. So, let's see our first sentence. From the first sentence, what hint did we get? Saurav takes 15 minutes, right? 15 minutes. And what? Sachin takes 1 hour. So we can frame two sentences, right? So what is asked here? Find the ratio of time. So we are talking about what? Time. So you all have to start with time. Time taken by Saurav. How much? It's 15 minutes. And by Sachin, what? Time taken by Sachin. How much is it? 1 hour. So what we have to find? The ratio, right? The ratio of time. See, you don't have to by heart the sentence. You may get your sentence from this question. You just have to frame it. See, the ratio of the time taken. Okay, so in order to find the ratio, what is asked here? The ratio of time taken by Saurav to the time taken by Sachin. So you have to mention Saurav first because the order of the ratio is very important. So what we have to write? 15 minutes and 1 hour. Can we write it like this? No, you have to change this 1 hour to minutes. So 15 minutes to what? 60 minutes. So you can divide this by 5, right? That is 3 by 12. So what is the ratio? 3:12. But what? Again you have to make this to the lowest form. We are applying our rules, right? 1:4. The second problem, father gave ₹150 to two brothers and asked to take their share in the ratio 2:3. How much money will each of two brothers get? In this problem, you have got the ratio here, right? But in our last problem, what? You didn't get the ratio. We finded the ratio out. Okay, here they have just given to find the ratio and only the time was given. We have to find the ratio of the time. But some difference is that from the problem is that here the ratio is given and the total rupees is given. We have to find particularly how much money. So come, let's start to do this one. So the first sentence we can frame what? Father gave ₹150 to two brothers. That is, so total money here. What you are saying about? You are talking about money, right? So what was the total money? 150 rupees. To what? Two brothers to take their share in the ratio 2:3, right? So you have known here, you have total money 150 rupees, you have got a ratio there and you are knowing that there are two brothers. So how will you understand? For that, you have to find the total ratio. What is the total ratio? 2 plus 3, that is 5. Be always careful with the order of the ratio. That is, 2 is for the first brother and 3 is for the second brother. So, remember our rule that order is an important factor in ratio. Next, how much particularly each brother get? So, let's take the first brother. First brother, how much he gets is what? See, from the total part 5, right? The first brother got 2 parts into from what? The money. So this is what you have to solve particularly. That is, from the total money, the first brother got out of 5 2 parts. So when we calculate this one, we will be getting particularly the amount. That is 5 what? 3. 5 3s are 15, right? So 30, that is 60. Now we got this. This 60 rupees is what? From the portion, 2 portion of the total 5 portion you get. So the second brother's money what? How much you get? What is the part given to him? 3 from 5 into 150. So what? 5 3s are again 15, right? So 30. 3 3s are 90 rupees. So from the 60 plus 90 what? How much you get? You get it as 150. So our answer is correct, right? So from the part 150 total part, the ratio 2 and 3 you get. So in order to find particularly what is given for the first person, what from the total ratio you have to find the part, okay, from the total money. So this is how we have to solve this problem.